You might just be looking at the cheapest way to build a high-quality shell of a home. In the US, the cost of living has gotten out of control, and one of the main things that makes buying a home so expensive is the cost of labor. So that's why Brad Terrace set out to find a new way to build that requires as little human labor as possible.
We're working on fully automating the construction of homes.
So is this like 3D printing? What's the difference?
Yeah, I mean, 3D printing of homes is really cool, but at the end of the day, they're just printing the walls, which is kind of the easy part.
The building train team came up with a way to print the walls, the foundation, and the roof all at the same time. They do this section by section. Once the machine prints one section of a house, the concrete cures, and then the machine can slide forward and do it all again.
Honestly, we didn't expect it to work. When this first one did, we were kind of surprised. Even though we had done it on medium and small prototypes, it was a shock to us.
A major realization in their quest to automate construction was that they needed to simplify the materials. That's why they built the entire shell of a home using just concrete and rebar. They say it's a better way to build for labor efficiency, but also because concrete homes are safer to live in since they can survive natural disasters. In its current form, the machine requires human labor to maneuver between sections. But for each section, the team has been able to reduce the amount of labor needed by 50%. Currently, using this technology, it costs around $85 per square foot to build a home, which is about the same cost as building using traditional methods. But this is just the beginning. Brad plans to keep improving the tech until it costs almost nothing to construct the shell of a home.
What's next is it's time to upgrade. The wooden building machine has lasted 5 pours, which is incredible. And so upgrading it to metal, finding partnerships that can help take us to the next level. We've proven out the technology, and we see a clear path to continuously improve and reduce the cost and the amount of labor. So the next version of the machine and the next home.
That's what's next.
That's what's next.